how you doing? Let me put a hat on. I'm gonna be unboxing another mod, or upgrade I should say, for the bike. This one is good. Let's get to it. I like that pic. It's nice. So what this is a lithium ion battery for my Ducati 48. That one right there that I'm rebuilding right now. So I have this right here. You connect it to the battery and then you download the app. Scan this little code. Then you can see the health of your battery at all times, which is good in this area. I got C-Tech lithium charger. Keep the battery on tip-top shape, last many years. And the battery, I got the AntiGravity lithium ion battery AT12 BS HD. HD means heavy duty, so it has more cranking power. Turn that Ducati power, you know what I'm saying? The good thing about this one, restart. But with the restart feature, this is an amazing feature. Not so good for like sport bikes, but naked bikes or anything like that, very handy. The restart feature pretty much means, in an event your battery is drained, for example, left the lights on, the battery will put itself to sleep, so the battery turns off and retain enough energy to restart your vehicle without the aid of a jump starter or needing to charge it. Simply press the restart button on top of the battery to start your vehicle. No jump start or charge necessary. So let's say the battery senses that's draining to the point that it will not be able to turn on the car. So there's a module on the battery itself that it will turn the battery off. And then there's a button on top of the battery to turn it back on, and so you won't need to jump start or anything like that. So this is the battery I use on my bike right now. See, 12 pounds. This is 12 pounds. The cool thing about this one, I got it was 40 bucks on Amazon. You press this button right here. It tells you how many days it's been operating. 763 days. It tells you the voltage of the battery. So 12 pounds. Keep in mind, this is still in the box. This is way lighter. Way lighter. Open it, let's open it. It's so tiny. Just open it, look at that. Ooh, so light. So light. Look, so light. I don't know if you can tell. It's so light. Oof. Big difference. Look at this. Smaller and more compact and lighter and more powerful. This is 2.9 pounds. That one is 12 pounds. That's almost a 10-pound gain right there. So I can kill. And also in the box you have manual, and you have the little things to plug in your battery. Thanks for watching. Hope you liked it. Stay tuned for more. Check out my YouTube channel and share this with your friends.